Welcome to how to make a resume using AI tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a resume using ChatGPT. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. First, you need to ask ChatGPT to write a resume for you. Write me a resume. So, ChatGPT will tell you the information you need to give him. As you see here, the contact information, the professional summary and the work experience, education and skills, projects, and if you want to add additional information. As you see here, here is a job that we will take as an example. We will copy the job description and then we will add our details. I have told ChatGPT about the job and I give him all the information about myself so he can write a good resume. So I will give it to him. And as you see, he gave me a full resume that I can copy and do whatever I want with it. And you can give him additional information too. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.